I love it, easy sets it up and easy to use. I used the bender when I moved my condensing unit off the ground onto my deck. So far so good. I have had it for about an hour and I have tested 1/4 3/8 1/2 5/8 7/8 copper pipe and it does very well. If you bend pipe to its max bend it will be slightly difficult to remove the copper off the mandrel, and on 5/8 pipe a tight 90 bend slightly squishes the pipe and puts minor ridges in the inside of the bend, but nothing too major. All in all, I am happy I bought this bender because those pain in the fucking ass other benders are too bulky and I like to make installs easier on myself. I will keep this review on here as long as I am happy with this product. I install residential AC systems and this saves a ridiculous amount of time and money. Simple to use. Recommend using silicone spray lube on mandrels. Well built. Worth the money. Click link in description for more reviews.